Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how you can add resources to your Storyline project. In an e-learning course, sometimes you want the learner to refer to some external links or a Word document, PDF or a PPT for additional information. So these information are not actually part of the course but can be added in the resource section. In Storyline, we have an option by which you can add resources to your project. In order to add resources, first go to the player option on the top, and under that make sure the resources button is checked. The moment I check this button, the resource is available here. If you want to move the position, maybe you can move it up so it comes up here, or you can move it down, or if you want to show up next to the menu, you can do that. So you can decide how you want to place that resource button, and once that is decided, you want the resource to be either on the left or right, then you can click the resource button, which is the third from the top, and then there is a button which says click here to start adding resource items. So under resource, you can either add a link which is in the form of a URL, or you can attach files which can be a Word document, PowerPoint, PDF, etc. So I will show you both the options. Say if you want to add a link which opens up the Google, so just type link to Google, and from the URL just type the URL for Google. If you want, you can test it to make sure the link is working, and you can save it. If you want to add one more link, you can click on add, and I want to add a file, so I click on the second option, click on browse, and from my desktop I can select the file that I want to add. So if I want to add this PowerPoint, I can click that, click open, and I can click on save. I can click on OK. So now I have a file as well as the Google that should open up. But if you try to preview this, you will not be able to see it, because things which are added under resources can be seen under preview, but it will not work. So you have to publish this to make it work. We have not yet learned different publishing options, but just for this demonstration purpose, I can show you how you can publish your project for web publishing. We will learn more about it later on. You can go to the publish option, select the first option, which is web, leave other settings as it is, and then publish your project. Okay. The project is published. You can click on view project so you can see your file. Okay, now you have the resource button here. The first is linked to Google, so if you click that, Google opens. So you can add links to your company's website or any resource that you think is helpful for the learner, which they can go and get some additional information. Or you can click on the second option which says elements of a web-based course, which is a PowerPoint. You can click that and it opens. So you see how simple it is to add resources to your Storyline course. Just try to add some more options and see how it works. And thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Bye bye.